Hi everyone, Jennifer Tarle from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. I got this as a request as an embarrassing mistake. I don't think it's super embarrassing, but if it's embarrassing to you, let's talk about it. So we have the word comma, which is a punctuation mark, and coma, which is a state of deep unconsciousness. So let's start with the word comma, the punctuation mark first. We're going to start with that K. Your mouth is open, tip of the tongue is low, back of the tongue is pulled up, and air puffs out. Your tongue is going to stay in about the same spot, and then you're going to move to an oval-shaped, wide open mouth for that ah. Ah, ka, ka, ka. Then you're going to close your lips for that M. Lips together. Air moves out of your nose. Then, while your lips are together, we're going to think about saying another M. And then we're going to open them to a relaxed mouth for that ma, ma, ma. Comma, 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 comma. Syllable one is stressed in this situation. Now for ~koma, we're going to think of syllable number one as just ko. K-o, k-o. Move your lips for that long O. That's going to help you differentiate these. And I should have put a little mark to tell you this is short and this is long. I've been getting some comments lately about long versus short. Yes, technically there is not a difference in the length, but there needs to be a way to talk about the differences, and this helps, and this is the way that schools in the US teach reading, short versus long vowels, instead of teaching phonetics. So this is just another way to describe it. Now, for that long O, again, open wide, and then pucker. Ko, ko, ko. And then end with the ma. Again, syllable number one is stressed, just like in comma. Let's give those both a try. Comma, 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 coma, coma, coma. Comma, 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 coma, coma, coma. Comma, coma, comma, coma. And now for a sentence. My teacher joked that needing to add a comma to every student's paper may cause her to go into a coma. Give it a try. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any suggestions for other embarrassing mistakes, I'd love to hear them. Add them to the comments below. And if you need help, check us out at Tarle Speech, and our link tree is below for all that information. Thanks, everyone.